Ay, damage siya. Hello guys, eto hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko si nagpadala na ito eh. Walang sign. I think one of the mga surplus sellers. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pinagmamahin ko sa kanya. Etong isa, uy, walang laman. Pero parang F1 car, malaki siya oh. Guys, malaki. Half ng face ko. So, putol nga lang to. Medyo may mga issues sa ilalim. Pero, it's a nice vintage car. Pag nag-ano ka vintage spray, maganda siya tingnan. At hindi na nga lang kompleto. Pero, I don't know. Maybe later on, kung mapagtripan ko mag 3D printing, I think with 3D printing you can fix a lot of this. By the way, it's a BMW. Nice, diba? Classic. I think the silhouette of the car itself eh, pag dinisplay mo eh, parang alam mo yan, kahit sabi mo incomplete siya, still nice. Yung ano, racing history yan. Noong 70s, puro ganyan yung F1 cars namin. Mga lumang F1 cars. Ito, sorry guys, hindi ko na talaga mabasa, pero this is a Ferrari. Ang scale parang 1:55 or 1:60, pero masyadong maliit for 1:43. Rubber tires, Ferrari, made in Japan. And then screw sa ilalim. You want, if you can see yung make. So, ito lang tambucho. Okay, parang pinaok to sa akin. Hindi ko ito minayin. Thank you. Thank you. May rubber pa natira. Pero parang kasya Star Wars, parang action figure Star Wars kasya dito. So, who knows, baka magamit pa natin ito. Nice, thank you. Ito, binili ko to. Alam niyo na bakit? Dahil dyan sa symbol na yan. Hotdog. Favorite ko to na hotdog na fast food sa US. So, yeah. And it still works. It still works. You can hear it. Ay, damage siya. Sobrang bugbog pala oh. Sa picture, hindi ko napansin yan eh. Yonezawa. Akala ko Yonezawa na 155. Pero parang Yonezawa 1:43 ito. So yung mga nag 1:43 na junkyard, pwede to. Yan oh. Damage oh. Ewan ko paano mo to pwede ayusin. Ganda kasi yung hood niya. It opens that way. And yung trunk nag-open din. Doors don't open. So I think ito like I don't know. I think this was sold mga 100 pesos. Yonezawa. Again, if you're gonna display it sa good side. Yung good side. Ito yung good side. Diba? The silhouette is rubber tires. So, nice. So, ito. Okay. Ito yung nakasakay dito. Siya pala yung rider nito. Okay. Ayan. So, hindi to raw. Binili ko to. Habol ko lang yung action figure. Kasi ka-scale niya ang Star Wars. Yung mga 375-inch na Star Wars. So, ito yata yun. So, you know, for 100 pesos. You have parang Star Wars Parang pwede nang pumasa Star Wars character to. Yep. So dito nga pala siya. This came together. And ganyan siya para naka-display nung minain ko for 150, 100. So ito. So the reason why nag-mine ako dito, when I went to nandiyan pa. Ito yung mga Buzz Lightyear to eh. These are Buzz Lightyear. Ngayon, if you look at the scale, pwede siya eh. Yung scale ng tao, you get Buzz Lightyear, is nakasakay pa sa plane. See? So look at Buzz Lightyear. Pag tinabi mo sa car, pwede. Matangkad si Buzz Lightyear na to. Pero yung scale, parang pwede pa rin siya kasi lowered naman to. So sabihin natin ito, di ba? So pag tinabi mo siya dyan, syempre nakasuit siya. So alam mo yan, pasok eh, pwede. Malapit siya. Okay, parang may nahulog dito, isa sa mga race cars na balian. Parang alam ko na yata saan nanggaling yun. Missing bumper, na bahali yung bumper. Sayang. So hindi natin alam paano natin i-glue yan. Hindi natin sopuan. Anyway, si Buzz Lightyear. So sa Kids Depot nag-sale sila. Nakabili ako ng isa for 100 pesos. And they used to sell for more. So sinili nila ng 100 one of the planes. Now, ang maganda dito, may mga mga landing to eh. So you can actually park it. Tapos and then I saw somebody sell, marami to sila, may iba-ibang klase, 5 or 6. So I was able to buy that one na naka-box. So inopen ko na. And then I'm not sure kung ganyan talaga yung dulo. Anyways, and then I got another one na nabili ko rin online with one of the surplus sellers. And this is the third one. So hopefully by the time after a year or two, makompleto ko yung lahat ng plane. Yep, so kung nagda-diorama ka, pwede mo ito itabi, realistic yung scale niya pag tinabi mo sa 1:64. Yeah, that's the reason why I bought it. And so aside from this why I buy from mga surplus shops, because they provide a variety of toys na you won't find in other sellers. So the good thing here in the Philippines is we have a lot of surplus shops from, I think, I'm not sure kung saan, pero I've seen parts from Australia. So maybe I'm not sure if they sell toys, but a lot of them are from Japan. So we get a lot of second-hand Tomikas. Kaya ito, like Yonezawa, Japanese toys. So we get a lot of those. And like these things. I don't know what they are. I don't know what particular cartoon or toy this is from. May nahulog na naman. Rubber ng gulong. Yeah, so anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Those are the things that I click mine online. So for those who are not from the Philippines, we have specific websites, or people have their own channels that they specifically sell second-hand toys from Japan or from Korea or from wherever. I know there are some that import second-hand stuff from England, from Great Britain, so, or United Kingdom, so yeah, I'm familiar with that. Anyways, the closest thing to it is like Marketplace in FB if you're in the US. I'm not really sure what other if you import second-hand toys from Japan or something in the US. I haven't seen any. Yeah, but anyways, that's it. Those are the ones that I mined. I hope you guys liked it. Happy hunting!